here for another math talk. This time, let's just call it fraction talk. Let's switch it up a little bit. So this is fraction talk. And what we have are a few fraction bars. Remember, these are the bar models. I love it because this is a way that you can show your work when we talk about fractions. I didn't have this when I was a kid, so it was real helpful to see what these fractions actually look like. Take a few seconds, maybe a minute, and pause the video. Ask yourself, what do you notice? What do you wonder? Once you noticed maybe about 3 things and you had a few wonders, resume the video. All right. Hopefully you've paused the video and let's talk about it. What do you notice? Well, I can say what I noticed. I see the unit fraction 1/3, but I see it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I see 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3. On this next row, I see the unit fraction 1/6, but I see it twice. So that's 1/6, 2/6. In this third row, I see 1/12, and it's just there by itself. And then on this last row, I see 1. It should really say 1 whole. Remember that. 1 actually means 1 whole, which as a fraction could be 1/1. What do I notice? I notice that these 4/3 up here, and I'll write 4/3. 4/3. I notice the 4/3 is larger than 1 whole. I notice that 3/3 would be the same size as 1 whole. Or a better way of saying that, a more mathematical, scholarly way of saying it would be equivalent. So 3/3 is equivalent to 1 whole. Something else that I noticed is that we have 2/6 over here. 2/6, which are the same size as 1/3. So 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent. 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent. They are the same size. Now let's look at this third row. We just have 1/12, which I notice isn't even the same size as 1/6. But I'm pretty sure 1/12 is half of 1/6. I noticed that. And since 12 is the denominator, I'm sure it would probably need 12 1/12s to be the same size as 1 whole. What do I wonder? Some things I might wonder is, how are there fractions that are greater than 1 whole? How can the numerator be larger than the denominator? I also wonder, how many 6 would there have to be equivalent to 4/3? And how would I even say that? I also wonder, how many 12ths would be equivalent to 4/3? I'm a little bit curious. Maybe you could figure it out at home. Anyways, this was a quick fraction talk. What do you notice? What do you wonder? We had some thirds, we had some 6, we had some 12s, and then we had a 1 whole over here. Hopefully you see some other things that you notice or wonder. That's our time for today. Quick little talk. I will see you next time. Later.